So. See the people in there. Say, I know, say. You see the people that might make noise in the argue. See? Can't build up there, so. Stress. You see? Argument and fight and war. See the garden there. See the family there. When you ready? Morning. Yes, I. Yes. All right. The real yard. See, I nearly dropped them. I get weak enough. I get old enough. Boy. Baba, my coffee done. Oh man. When I slack off, you know. When I used to make coffee 4 o'clock in the morning. Coffee done? Yes, sir. I'm doing a little walk. What is? Alright, my cool. So you ready here?
Fido.
You know go bush?
No, sir. We have to change the plant today, man.
Yeah?
I change the bush plant today.
I go road? When I go road go do?
Yeah, come.
When I go road go do?
The same thing where we go one more day in this week, we go do it today.
What, Mandeville?
Any one of them? Christian.
Eh?
And I'm going now, Denny, I go. I don't really go out to that.
Yeah, just some business.
We want no food, no don't have we don't have no food. The things then we don't go run out. We want Denny go get some things, because we don't really want to go a shop to buy. Certain little things in a summer. You have to go send a shop this morning. Evening again, you send a shop. Tomorrow, you send a shop again.
Yeah.
You see, when Denny go out and we have things can serve you for 2 weeks.
Oh, you do your normal shopping?
Yes, and get you on this everyday shop.
Yeah. Do nothing, man.
So, I'm not telling you, you know, make sense. We got the bush to do now, when we come out at evening, no food, no don't we look after.
Yeah.
No island, no sugar.
Feed, need a bag of feed.
Yeah?
Then you need a bag of feed.
I'm not doing a thing, man. Me have to do my thing. We're not doing a thing.
So if you not say you better go find the town to go get out some things.
You see? You give Marky the thing? Knock the man, let's see him. Give him thing, man.
In the house, man, you see him just come to chop up food.
Yeah, I'm doing a thing, my friend. We just get me some cabbage and some callaloo. That's all I want to eat, really. Planting cabbage and callaloo. Because I have to cut back on the meat.
We don't have no the problem, no. Oh, we have about 6 finger right plant.
Yeah.
We're not even fry the plant this morning because really we can't just fry 1 finger plant. That's why we want to do this good. No matter we do it, sometimes you put to the shop, sometimes it's good. For the week and you die right, so I spend a shop, you spend $10,000 for the week.
For the week?
9,000, yeah. You can remember saying, no man, every time you go in a shop with $1,000 now, when you come out back, you know,
yeah,
the change. Can't go back to the shop again, you know. So if you go back to the shop again, alright. So like up and you see the sun then. If you go down to the shop, go buy rice and chicken and everything to make dinner. $3,000 you have to have enough.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And at the end of the day, if you want something today, again you have to find a different money again. So you become slave to the shop then.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how we are trying to survive. Slave to shop.
Them have callaloo at the market now?
Yes, man. Every 100 yam when we sell, when me buy a shop, $6,000-7,000 garden a shop. You have to fight to keep up to the things. You can't have a money in your pocket for yourself, unless if you take sick, you can't go that. Because you ever have to fight to pay a shop. You're a slave to the shop.
So now, what are the things you buy as food where you need, you know, say you need you have to cut back on the flour and do more cornmeal?
No, we don't cook flour no more. We cut back on that long time. We do that already. That's why I tell you, say more than if you go, because what happen now, it's like we just have a pound of cornmeal.
And we need cornmeal.
Yeah.
Cornmeal, take the cornmeal with 10% flour for buying it.
A 5% me too.
A 5 now.
Yeah.
So we've been studying the ratio of cornmeal to flour from
Yeah.
Negril, you know. So you say a 5
5%
to 95.
to
Good.
95.
So me support the cornmeal movement, the callaloo movement,
Yes.
the cabbage
Yeah,
movement.
man, like them the way
Me know in the fish and chicken movement,
we
you
don't
know.
really fussy about, we don't cook yam to that. Maybe we cook one slice of yam.
Because you have it.
Yeah, we just cook banana,
More banana and plantain. Yeah.
cornmeal dumpling,
Yes, that is the
strictly
key.
cornmeal dumpling.
But I said to I want to go get some coconut oil.
Yeah,
Baba, if me go invest in anything while I'm down here, callaloo, cabbage, coconut oil, garlic.
oh God, man,
Garlic.
garlic we a feed me feed pan garlic.
Yeah.
Because the garlics and the onion.
Onion, yeah.
Me I buy
Purple onion.
Denny buy a 2 pound, 3 pound of onion.
Yes, that is the key. That's what
Yes.
you know, say him need good now. So you're good now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because you feed pan the food and the type of food you eat. So like you know, the high cholesterol, them like the chicken back and the white flour,
Yeah,
dumpling
kill them,
and the
man.
white bread and
kill
the
that.
white rice.
Kill that.
Me no cook them no
Kill that, man.
We kill
Brown
them this
bread.
way.
Brown bread, yeah,
Strictly
man.
brown bread me buy.
Gluten free.
Yeah. No,
I'm gonna get some coconut, you know. Cause when you see when I go shopping, I go bag, I go. We have to bring a bag, you know. Which bag we have to bring? That one, yeah?
How much bag you have? You ask this one. Man, that's all.
that's what me I say. Yeah, him could go on the town today.
Yeah, I go.
Yo, you know how you carry, when you travel, how you carry so much bag?
You see my bag them? Hey,
you do
me
it?
could bring, me could bring
One bag, man.
bring this bag in, I think so put the clothes in there, but me could bring the yellow bag. And
big
the yellow bag and the gangster bag, you know.
No, the man has some bag. Sometimes I don't want to see him want to take up so much bag.
So much, hey, I put one on my front, one on my back. When people see me I move, them say, yes. You see when the taxi man them pull up and say,
Hey,
yeah.
what's on the tourists them? The white them will come here too far. They have some bag.
You see when
You tell me more than me now?
you see when I land Jamaica and the little porter them say, oh the cat can't go no further. I say no worry about it. Me strap the 2 bag them for me, them mad. Them say this dirty boy, look how he strong. A soldier.
Oh, they say a soldier.
A soldier. Yes, soldier. Because no, me not gonna pay you for bring my bag.
Yeah.
And then me go straight in the Juta.
Oh, money they
And
want.
at $25 me pay Baba from the airport to the grill.
Okay.
So me give me a $5 tip. So me say man, me calculate every move me make. But when me come down a couple of time ago, so we can get some saltfish too, so we can get some callaloo and saltfish.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you can't get saltfish, man. Then we know if you buy the saltfish, because the saltfish, you cut them up in the supermarket. But nobody the one them will wet up.
Dry.
Yes, but
Light.
the dry one then.
Then put water upon it for more money.
Because the Chinese man, they dip in the water. But when you buy it, you can't come here and put it on the frozen in the fridge. Because through the water in the heat,
Yeah.
make it smell bad.
I say, up here, sun, them used to build a house there, sun.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
So when buy the black, them caffeine black, them the black them what we did buy for the like them blacker, them more kind of cheap.
No, man, I see him price of black one.
No me I say the quality. Where we buy
want Cersei?
film quality.
You want Cersei?
And where you putting on this?
Stomach mint and fever grass.
All of them, all of the same black.
Fresh stomach mean?
Yes.
All of the
Give
black them a come
thanks.
from, all of the black them a make
Fever
a bigger
Thank you.
standard now. So none of them no better.
You don't need no Cersei pani.
So, no man, it good.
Yes,
So wait there. The one where him used to build for him house. A Christian ain't get it from?
No, sir. Oh, well, when the men just start, we used to get from Christian about him brother and make it now.
They make the black themselves?
Him brother and make it now. So, but it don't really matter what you buy now, you know, but we are standard that they see everywhere there.
Anyway.
Anyway, but all the one we make a good thing now, don't have people. We are standard going to see black them. Before you go on the road.
Because I know the edge of them black are just, them just
Flaky.
flaky.
But
You,
a Christian they may come from.
you drop them and them just broke up.
But a Christian they come from, but no one really that you know.
Yeah, I'll drop them and it's broken too.
No one say go man, you have to understand. Sometimes when the black them make you see, the black them don't have no time for cure. And if the black just come out of the mold, the green.
A tea and nice Denny, where you put tonight? Fever grass,
Stomach mint.
stomach mint,
So the mold, when the black come out of the mold, now,
honey mint.
honey mint.
when the black come out of the mold, it have to put on for a period of time, then it start take hold in your body. If you just have to call black like all you see is Friday, Saturday and Saturday, then we mash up because it's soft.
Yes.
So the longer the black put on now,
The more is it.
it's set and cure. So you can't fling it down this one not do it.
Okay.
But if you just, but to the rush where the black in and now,
How they make it.
to the rush where the black in and now, and people want to buy black now. Black hardly no time for turn in a black house now for cure. If you have bill house in a man.
I'll say as a master.
Ah.
Borrow that. You know. You have to tell you for you see it when you come from West.
Yeah, man. People are building house.
What? And I pay a big house in my bill. And I look first time like a one man I build look one flat house. But you man I build 3-4 in a year. Because remember billion rent because the population now. I get so large just you never have enough house to rent out. In India and they know. Now they changed that the law last week.
What the last, you know?
They just stone you to death. So they changed the law in India and a single man now can have sex with a married woman in India and nothing. So they might break down the law, the standard of things, morally, little by little. So look at this. Alright, so for instance, say all in India now, if you didn't go to a one young girl in India, young girl when they're in teens and they're in kitchen, you know, going to prison for life, man. But them just not did it again. They cut out all of them, you know. So certain things that a man will see happen right here, so I'm going to say no then, but it's everywhere part of the world. There are people, you know. But I'm going to choose within some of the country now, the law is more restricted more than Jamaica, because Jamaica is a lawless country.
Lawless.
You know, see woman watch football in Saudi Arabia now, woman watch again a football stadium, you know. Woman are driving one car down there now. The law, them are modernize them things and change up, you know, because they realize the world wants to free up now.
Freaky up.
Free copy, man.
Anywhere you run, at the same.
Yeah.
Anywhere you go.
Everybody are come together now. And are buying the thing together, because time winding up on them.
The morality is bleak everywhere.
Everywhere.
Even when you go to the bush, you see what them are going with now.
Oh, God.
You know the bush, I hear some story, me say, why you saying to me?
You know this a bush.
In a this a bush. Me say, wait
What
for
place
me.
what happen out on the broad road? Remember say, you know. All we hear the man are going with now. You can't get to them the girl they from up there, you know, for them up there too long.
Him can do?
You can't get them from up there. And until they up there, a long time they up there. Years and years and years now they up there. And until they didn't cuss and galan, but this man tomorrow, this evening when you look to see all of them going down the road. But maybe I just something if you go and say you just pop out this money.
Yeah, when there's low money,
When there is no money.
whenever there's low money in
Yes.
any household,
Yes.
there is stress.
Stress. So maybe I just because
Yes.
the man don't make no money this year.
If there's low money, there is stress.
Stress.
And whenever there's a lot of money, there's happiness.
Happiness, man.
Yeah, man.
Everybody can enjoy this.
All over the world. Liquor, food in a fridge.
Food in a fridge.
Things get tight,
Boy.
and humans get tight up.
Yes, man.
At least around here, at least you have some occupancy, so not have to totally kill each other.
No, you know that me I tell you.
But in the world,
That's what me tell you. That's what I say to you. Say right now, we part me live just now. I don't see no reason why we shouldn't kill a woman over certain things. Over financial problem. Because we have too much food.
mm-hmm.
And there is, we have too much food. Fish say, me can't come home from bush and when me look on me. The dinner can't cook. For me, I have to cook. That can't happen to me again, tell me that. Because me have too much food, man. Food up. Go a bush, go see the amount of plant with the pan tree, bird and them. Yeah, you come out with one bunch of plant. You know, long one bunch of plant and take your feet off. If you get up this morning and you fry one God finger green plant and a cup of coffee, I hit that. So you never fry them more again. By the time you reach back to it, you ripe up. You know the amount of plant that me give you from already? Yeah. No, you see, when you come to my time of year,
you become like Santa Claus planting.
no, when you come to them time of year, you see,
Mm-hmm.
I always pledge myself to give away things.
Mm-hmm.
Because at the end of the year now,
Yeah,
that's just like how we have Thanksgiving Day in America, you know.
yeah.
If God had take you through the whole year from January, you the whole bush and you walk and you walk and you walk. When you come in the year, you have to give back something.
Mm-hmm.
Out of what you accumulate, you know, just sit down and hug up everything so for yourself alone.
Mm-hmm.
You can't be that selfish person.
Mm-hmm.
You might don't have money to give somebody, you see?
Mm-hmm.
But at the end of the day, if you cut a bunch of plant and can go put on one woman in the yard and you feed him, picking them with it, God bless you for that.
Mm-hmm.
One man come and you want a piece of yam, you go dig to hill of yam, give him. You go chop one bunch of banana, give him. I feel your money that way you can contribute.
Mm-hmm.
One man come and he say, why me die 2K, you know better, Baba. I say, no problem, man, me care come later. Chop it, come give him. I don't really want him come and me go see what me have there.
So you don't make nobody follow you?
No, I don't really make people come to my place to go really sick. Because you see, the eyes of man
Eyes of man.
is a very deceiving thing. When a man go over bush,
It deceiving to him soul.
Yes, to
It
his
disrupt
soul.
him whole being. Once him eye see something,
Jesus Christ. When
if
him go over bush,
me show you a stack of money now, right now in front of you, okay,
Yeah.
your whole being now.
I might be by the time you get up and live from your and catch a man the village done. And now next year you have in your head.
Me see the boy with a
Man,
stack of money.
Stack of money, you see, man.
That's why sometimes them say they don't make the right hand know the left hand know the right hand do.
That's it. That's it.
That's why Denny never tell you when the money come.
No, but that's how me live with them too.
Mm-hmm.
Because me have my money in my pocket every day and me and him a girl and I say me not have no money.
Yes.
So me live with
You have
Karen
to.
because I know everything a man fi know.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's like if you know say me have, alright, so if if you know say, me him with the bush and I say, well go on, you know no money, he say no. Say alright, go you say. Later when we come we give him 2,000 or 3,000. He must say, no, you don't say no more.
And I'm not liar.
I don't like that.
It's the ears of man too.
Yeah. So those are the things with carrying now with me. For every Jesus day carrying say me not have money.
So you have money.
So me not have no money.
You tell him say you know none.
No, that I mentality him believe that.
So you know how
So
none.
me not have no money.
Okay. So you build that in the ears of man. So
Yes.
you know have
Me
nothing.
not have nothing.
Me no have it.
Me not have it.
Me no have it.
Me not have it. So if me even go down the road and go sell 20,000 or 30,000 out of yam and me come back, me say no go on to that, you know. But at the end of the day, if you want 2 phone cards, you will get it. You want food, I know. Me not say if you want food, for food I go did it.
So do you budget for the long term? You're wise for the children.
Yes, so me budget my money. Me not just dig yam and spend money.
Mm-hmm.
And then now, me will say, alright, you know what? Since there's food in the house, she want $2,000, whole of $2,000.
Mm-hmm.
But me buy food, you know. You never buy phone card finish for me I buy. So when me budget out everything done now and come in, me say, I'm here going out, me say, alright, you want now. She want $2,000. Put on that, that's if me no day in the house and you want something,
Put it down.
you can go buy.
Mm-hmm.
But I know for me, I put it down for you now, for himself.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, suppose me there bush and you want one drinks.
Yeah.
You know, have to come and shop and trust me.
Okay.
Suppose you want one extra something away from what we did look this man. You can go buy it. But if you come in, if you can't take up the bulk of money throwing in front of him, say he. Not me. No.
The eyes of man.
The way me come back in and go Ghana Christian man. So if me
So now me have to learn with Uno.
yeah.
To say, me no have you know.
Me no have it.
Baba.
Me no have
Tight.
it. Tight. Things tight. Things tight. Right now it's tight. Me just can't make it. But at the end of the day, it's not that say money no did it. Money did it, but I feel do what? I know if you flirt.
No.
Money did it. Money are coming in, but it's not flirting money. I mean, we have never had the flirting money neither. Not that me no go down a shop and buy a drink, you know. For me, we go down in the shop now, because me have a time like if you. We don't have my yard for 2 3 weeks and go down a shop. But if you see me go down a shop now, we spend $1,500. Because I don't work that already, because my budget how much me work, you know. So when me I spend now, me have to calculate back how much me can give a man $100 out of drink. Yeah, sir. We can't buy one man $500 worth of drink. What's a mad man? No, sir.
We better just buy the bad boy.
Yeah,
The bad boy for $700 can lick off 5 man.
Yes, $500 for one flask of bad boy.
But the one for 700.
The quart, that man.
Buy that for lick off the whole of them head.
So you'd have to go
You eat it raw?
Yeah, you'd have to go on the road to get that.
Let me peel it without the thing. Let me see it.
So, your man, you
So
can eat
nice
that, man.
and ripe.
Your man, you can eat that raw, man.
Like banana.
I best way for eat it, you know.
Yes.
Enough to
But
fry
no,
that,
let me tell you something. He's a raw consumer, you know.
Alright.
I just when me around people, me try to do what I'm doing. And sometimes,
You know, so even this year, you know, you may better eat it if you stomach
Yes.
eat it raw.
they may not eat the breadfruit raw on the grill. And then I laugh up. They say, Randy. So I said, wait a minute. When was the last time you say goat have on pot of fire with wood? You see no donkey I wait pan stove for cook.
We cook.
So me take the breadfruit and me bite it. And I say, yes, and I chew it up. They must say, Randy, you mad.
No, man, if your stomach can't, the doctor tell you, man, if your stomach can't digest it, man, you better you eat it raw, man.
Everything, you know. Wait till it ripe. You see all the okra, especially. You see how callaloo, you know, if you really steam it too much, you know.
A hot if you hot, man, but me tell him all
Just
the
with
way.
the hot water, sometimes you just hot the water for every vegetable, you know. Make it real hot. Throw them in there and take them out quick.
Yes.
Quick.
You must never eat it.
You know, sometimes them say the heat activate the iron, but the body have heat in it. Where do the cooking?
Yeah.
So when they get in the stomach, you know, they sell them, take out what them want.
Yeah. But when you go in your system, soft now.
The system not do no work.
Nothing to work. The system not have nothing to work.
So once the system start working, you lose weight. The cell them have work.
Yes.
Imagine you have some cell out your body when no work.
When I
Them just sit down and say, boy, you know, so the food cook, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, good, you know. We're going to have a drink, you know, say. And that's what they sell them sit down and just laugh after you know.
Yeah.
They say, look on the fat come.
Everything.
When them see
the fat.
when them see the sugar come, yo, it's a big piece of sugar float over there. So jump on that, my yo. And them just sit down like a vacation. Think about your body. A vacation down there.
That's why you see some people fat, you know, man.
Yes, vacation belly.
Every Jesus Christ thing and properly cookie.
But when you eat raw plantain,
Food like this.
you see when you make the plantain porridge, when you blend that, you see me get peanut and the green plantain with lightly peeled skin. And you see me blend that and I blend that, man. The blender itself develop the heat. So when you simmer that, that raw with the peanut, but you not have to eat it.
No,
You
man.
drink it with that.
See how it-
You drink that and put some coconut milk in that. You see, you get some half a coconut milk and you blend it with the peanut and the ripe, not the green plantain, and you drink that in the morning as your strength juice. Woman run from you.
I tell you, man, you know, we work with our youth, we live anytime him a cook, you see, we tell him how Barrington cook. Since Denny come on here, so, Barrington put on the food in there and take off back the pot already.
Boom.
Nah, give 5 minutes pan fire. One youth a man living. Nah, give 5 minutes on the stove, man. As in peeling there, so I walk around and come back and say, ready, you know? You never go in a fishing house and you give the food and the soft it, man. Rice is tough like an iron. If you don't cook soft food. Food never cook till it's soft, man. Some people have food pan for your boys to tell you when you go to eat a mash up.
Like where I do? There's a chemical reaction that now they go in the body say, what is? Because remember say, God no invent no pot. The pot is the sun and the rock. You see, the pot is the earth.
As it, the cabbage and the callaloo is a thing where you cut up everything and combine them together. Just make sure everything, the garlic, the onion, the pepper, and everything combined in a one base.
Yeah.
And you put, you know, if you throw oil in the pot now, for people that throw oil, you know, if you have to throw no oil in there, just tip look water in there and just pour it out in there and cover it down.
Yeah.
Anytime you see that turn there for 2 minutes now, give it 1 2 minutes till you see it start bubble up again. You just sprinkle look chop oil on the top of it. Just on the top of it and lock it down and turn off it. Inhale, come out, cherry. And I hit that. Just turn off the stove and leave it because the stove, the grill pan the stove will heat for 5 minutes. So by the time the grill is cool, the food ready.
Yeah.
So if you learn for proper healthy practice and healthy eating, you live as long as you
Yeah, plant now for fry.
I feel fry, man. So I them the thing they really, I them the way they are gonna. But
Jamaica,
the only
good
thing with
life.
me now, the only thing with me now, me I try to cut out, but me can't cut out the chicken. Family love me chicken, you know. Yeah, then I got Christian at it, you know. Me I really begin by the toast and the chicken. Family love me fried chicken. I do have the fat. But when we do that, we drink a lot of water.
But you know, so you must eat pickle with the chicken.
Pepper.
Or ketchup, pickle.
Oh, yes. Yeah, man, we put whole heap of that pan. Like in buy, you know, we put whole heap of pepper pan.
All right. Scotch bonnet, no, scotch right. If you eat meat, it has to ferment. Brother and sister. The pickle is the fermentation for the chicken. When you go in at it, tell us say the stomach of a party. You have a resort down there now. This is when the chicken come along, them say, yo, bring the parasite, them come, cause chicken come true.
Cause chicken come true.
You see when the pickle come with the chicken, yo, my yo, can't have a parasite round here, so pickle there, yeah.
Hot.
The pickle ferment. You see when you drink your roots or wine when you eat, a fermentation. It have something in it now will help to process the chicken in the stomach, meat. So when we eat meat, that's why it's the rest of man them drink them roots. So roots, ketchup. You see ketchup can't spoil. Ketchup, roots, pickle, cabbage with vinegar. These things are fermentation. Every time you eat meat, you have to eat it with it. Nutrition, gut nutrition specialist me the date, you know.
Okay.
Swedish girl. And she teach me certain thing. The most important thing is the balance of bacteria in your gut. Every month you must try find raw milk. Raw cow milk has a bacteria in it. You see when you go in your stomach, you say, one of the other. The bad bacteria in the stomach can say, a party them have, you know. A parasite. Everything that happen in the world happen in the stomach. So if you balance your stomach, you will never have a disease in your life.
Because when we are boy, you know, man, I will go all a bush, you know, man. I want milk pan a cow, raw cow milk we are drinking. Because for daddy used to raise the whoop of cow with milk, you know. So when we go there, man, in time with him now, and he makes up, fling off the first lick. He just milk the balance and give you where we drink. You don't put it on the fire,
No. Raw.
drink, you see.
Raw. No skull, no nothing. In the 1800s, they had a
Kind of your
problem.
stomach go warm up the middle, you know.
Yeah. You see, so now the raw cow milk have a bacteria in it. The A1 cow, you have A1 cow, A2 cow. The A1 cow, them are the original cow from the Amish people and Jamaica. But every month you try to do it for allergies too, and they clean out the system. So
The problem we do know, we can't get no cow milk on us like all the fresh cow milk. Just come from the cow.
them pasteurize everything and put in a box
And
now.
put in a box.
So them kill the people. Then. So, me talk to you about the party we are going at this summer. When them see the cow milk are coming out, remember say not touching now. So the cow nipple will touch the grass, have a relationship with nature. So when you talk about the cow, all of that relationship with the cow eat a lot of grass. So when you talk about in America when people have a lot of allergies, and the grass where the cow eat, the body know through the milk. So when the body say, yo, me know you, you know, you a grass you come from. But when you cook the milk, the body don't know what is.
What is?
So when the body say recognize the grass, I know the pollen blow in your lungs. But I say, me know that, man. Me not gonna fight against it. So that's how it work. The body has to identify things from natural things. So you see the honey from the bees now pitch upon the flowers. Then you get the raw honey now. And the same pollen from the raw honey, the body recognize the interaction with the flowers. So if you now get raw honey and raw milk, then where you get your grass identification from?
In the system.
In the system. So now if everything in the supermarket processed honey and processed milk, the body say, boy, me not see no grass, yes I know. Because them take out the grass information. And nature transfer information to you, and so your body learn. So you see, when your body forget, when your body not know, it flare up, it sneeze, it start act up, then you start cry, you start cough, because the body say, yo, something coming at the system, we don't know. And we are sending the white blood cell, we are sending everything, mucus, we are sending everything to fight it. And then the war start now. And that's what you call a sickness. Your illness is a war. Because you don't know what coming. Remember, so you can't get rid of disease if the body know how to deal with the thing. Them,
yes, man.
So if you eat all natural stuff, the body say, I'm a good man. You say, look at rotten cancer, whatever, so we could deal with it. It will have the strength.
To fight it.
So when you go into supermarket now, I beg you now, don't buy anything you can buy that's not in boxes or container. It's better you go often to the market as opposed to the supermarket. And if you buy coconut oil, you better you find a old woman to buy it from.
Down in the market.
Somewhere.
We boil it.
Buy the coconut oil the woman boil.
But Marlon tell me all that, so we don't find none of the soy oil in the supermarket.
No soy milk.
None of them.
No process.
We show one cooking oil, we say we can't buy that one because we see him in the kitchen. When you look on the back, you see the bus coconut pan. You see that a real coconut oil, but it's dear.
That's the point. So one who invests in that is a good blender. Now, you see, if you buy the coconut from the market now, my brother have prostate cancer, you know, and 2 heart attacks, you know. You see, when my 8 years old, you know, when Mr. Brown sit down beside you, I'm trying to figure out which one I know, 62 and which one I 80. He will probably beat you. Man, I 80. You know what he's been drinking for most of his life? But the water name. Him not drink regular water. Him drink distilled water. Okay? Him drink distilled water. So now for him, people have him on certain things for years. When you see the man look young. So when him have him heart attack, and then the doctor said, boy, the number now go come up, you know. We start making blend the coconut and the Vitamix. So the coconut, very important and a daily thing, because the natural thing in the coconut, the natural cholesterol, you know, the cell them need it. The cell need the cholesterol, you know. There's a documentary that talks about, say, people eat a lot of salad, it'll kill them. In America, it's not the salad killing them, you know, it's the salad dressing where them put on it. It'll kill them. And the vegetable oil kill, you know.
Yes.
And the corn oil kill, you know. And the fructose corn syrup kill, you know. And the gluten kill, you know.
We know that, man.
Right? So now, what the science now is of thing is to blend as much as you can, cook as less as you can, and if you eat meat, ferment the plantation. Simple. Simple. But when you start buy things in a box in a supermarket, you see how you buy the coconut pack, and it have the sodium in there, and it have another thing. No man, I don't buy no coconut. I don't have to grate it. Just put the time into blending it and get your juice out tight. Buy a whole heap of coconut. And then the cell, the thing where the coconut have milk. So instead of you buy the coconut pack, I could buy the coconut. Put the work in it, trust me.
Now you better off.
And buy the coconut from the woman, the whole thick. We have to go find the woman with the thick coconut oil. Because you see, you just put it on your skin, drink a teaspoon of coconut every morning, oil. Lord God, man. When that going to the stomach, man, and the party, them say, yo, coconut are coming up. The cell them happy. The cell is very happy with coconut cholesterol.
Aye.
Because it naturally, it know what it is. And you don't have to add heat to coconut. Forget out the thing too much. You see me? Corn, you have to process it. Vegetable, you have to process it. But the coconut, look a bit of heat, you get the oil out. Even when, you know, so.
Just throw a little hot water upon it.
Even when you grate and put in the rice.
Yeah.
You cook the rice and you get the where you need out of it. You see me? So coconut are one of the most important things.
But the problem with the coconut, when you grate it, the cold water can't get out the juice out there. You know?
So you have to warm the water.
Warm water chop on, you know, and when you squeeze, you know, you get everything. But you throw the natural cold water upon it. Because it have a fat in it, you know.
Yes.
Where the cold water can't take out.
Yeah.
But when you throw a little hot water upon, you know, you see the fat itself.
Yeah.
Come on the top right now.
Yeah.
Then you squeeze out. When you squeeze out, you and throw down the trash, pure trash like this, everything.
So what the Vitamix does, because the RPMs, now RPMs is the motion. You see when it leak that coconut there, everything out it come out in the water. It go so fast. It's 100, 1,000 horsepower. You know, when it turn on the blender, there, man, put a coconut in there. You blend up all a golf ball. It take out everything out tight. You see me?
I change up my eating and cut down for certain things. You know,
I see the young papa, the near young one. I eat your fish stew, you know. Lord God, you see for your heart, the pumpkin. Don't make it fit, you know. That way you teach me. But you see the vine of the pumpkin, and the flowers, and the skin. Once a month, get a whole vine thing.
I think I would imagine I call me and tell me if you steam the pumpkin leaf.
Yes.
With something on it that when say if you mix it with. You say you don't know where if you eat. You can't just eat couple of it. Just couple of it. We have all of the medicine now that she with a bush. A bush right?
Yeah. The pumpkin.
And we are dead with sickness.
No.
Pumpkin leaf.
You see the pumpkin vine, I eat for the blood vessel. You see what goes, think as a pumpkin as a heart.
But the vine,
Yes.
run the blood vein them.
Yes.
Because your blood vein them always want something to work with them.
Yeah.
Look on the relation between the pumpkin vine. Because you put the pumpkin vine hollow. You see it?
Yes.
Inside.
Yes, I think you ever see them hollow too.
Yes.
Yes. So nature is a relationship thing. The
Yes.
papa see them, man. You feel your lungs. And that's why you say the Irish mash, the moss, you look like the lungs system, the nerve system. So you know, have to eat will look like certain things. The mango is for the heart. And the seed for the jackfruit, the bone. You see the pumpkin seed cast for the bone. So anything hard is for something hard. Round is for something round. Sugar cane now build up. You say it's tough. So we don't have everything. But so going to the supermarket, be careful. The most things you buy in a box, process.
Everything you know in a box process with all kind of fat.
So when you buy at the supermarket, when you buy cornmeal,
yeah,
when you buy what else? Oil,
like brown rice.
brown rice.
But enough look things either, man, we don't know, say. Because we not really check the depths of them, the things they do that, you know. But so you still walk in the supermarket and pick up few things. But guess what we do now? We try to cut down half enough of them.
Yeah.
Because you don't want no whole person if you eat again, you just plan your way out now.
Yeah.
You don't really want no, we don't go to the supermarket to come down and truckload of grocery, you know. But just like you don't know, say, boy, when you make it tea, you know, you want a spoon of sugar in there. If you go, alright, say then you go out and you buy a cheap one pasta sugar. It's every 3 weeks. Because we don't mix sugar and water. When I mix drinks, just a man in time we take up the put in our tea. If you buy, alright, look, you know, from when Denny buy 1 5 pound pack of pasta flour and you don't have to tell me.
Flour.
Flour. Because when I take up, first time we go shop, go buy 2 pound of flour. Every day.
And I make dumplings.
Yeah.
Flour dumplings.
Flour dumpling.
Every day.
Every day. Now, we just take a bit of flour and bind the caramel. Because it's the caramel. Caramel is a builder to the body.
You don't know if I make rundown?
Coconut rundown?
Someone can buy some salt mackerel.
So,
We don't have green banana at the house, right?
and green banana there. Where I say, man?
I'll go get some
What
salt
me I try to
mackerel,
do,
some
man?
saltfish, a lot of callaloo and some
So,
cabbage.
you cut off a whole pot.
Then cabbage not go around the year.
Marlin tell me say me can't eat chicken, you know, but here when you tell me say. No man, you tell me about the chicken, you say you can't eat chicken, you know, but what you have to make sure say raise the chicken where you want to eat. Because when you go into these places, go buy the chicken, them know, they give them all sort of pill.
We'll just buy the chicken from Angelina.
Hmm? No, but them still give them same way. Pill. And the pill is
Angelina
the
give them the
booster.
pill
Oh, you
too?
mean everybody will use the
What you say to me?
Every jack man will use
Them give them pill?
Yes.
For make them big?
Yes.
Denny, them give them pill on
The
them?
feed now have the booster in it.
Ah,
The feed have the booster?
Yes, the feed have a thing in it, they call them booster.
What you say to me?
No
Even
must-
for the pig them too?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Sweet up on the
Yeah, but when you buy the chicken by itself, no, like say we go buy the young chicken. Marlin tell me now, say buy the young chicken and raise it for yourself. And all we need to give them is like piece of aloes in the water. Or cut one green line, put in there and grow them with the feed. So you don't really damage you to that. But you see when you go in a supermarket or go buy the meat, it's full of chemical.
Especially when they come from the US.
Especially the
You hear the interview where they have with the chicken.
what?
How long is being frozen at sea?
How long you dey pan see for?
How long?
No, country of origin. Country of origin.
So them have a video where they interview the chicken.
Yeah, interview the chicken.
So if chicken were to answer immigration answers.
Questions.
So
if
they
you was,
start asking the question, I hear, if you hear it.
they say whole country of origin. How long have you been frozen?
How long you've been at sea?
How long is at sea?
If you hear it. I might tell them now, say if you buy feed them chicken, best dressed chicken.
But the
That is-
best,
but
best
the-
dressed chicken have this.
same
But the only thing
chemical.
with the best dressed chicken, you see,
Yeah.
it's more fresher than the USA chicken.
Okay, okay.
Because remember, say the US chicken, they can't see how long.
Long.
You know.
I see that.
Yes,
I'll
he
fire it.
live past sea for all year.
I fire a chicken
Before
there.
you catch ya. And when you catch ya, you have to go through so much process to clear custom fees to me or so.
I'm waiting a custom.
Jesus Christ. Oh, boy.
They not drive no pan truck go a country. Then I go
So,
supermarket.
if like all the
Then
Chinese
another
are
one
like
buy
that,
it from the wholesale, come in a film little shop.
Yeah,
and
that
he sit down
happen.
there and wait too.
I wait there too.
Yeah, tell you, enough waiting, man.
Jesus Christ.
Enough waiting.
This is not good for your body, you know, man. Yo, when we tell you this, man, I mean, me tell a man, I did have a little problem one time, one sickness I got to, you know.
So the chicken when you buy, you cook yesterday, where you buy it from? Supermarket?
No, man, I want girl don't go to raise them. But she no give her chicken them pill, you know.
Eh?
You no give them pill.
So they're more expensive?
No, man, I same price, but you know give them pill. You give them like aloes and
Garlic.
garlic in
Garlic?
the water.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But some people just give the chicken them.
So
the
why not
boost.
keep buy from her?
You will buy from them, but they don't have you all the while.
Oh,
No, all the while they have.
so them chicken run out more time.
Sometimes they run out because you know the system go. But that's why I say, that's why I buy my freezer for raise me 25 and me 30 chicken. Because I don't give chicken nothing more than just feed the water and garlic or lime. I don't give them the booster. Because you see the booster in the chicken there. It's a dangerous thing, you know, because down to the government to fight against it, you know. With the picking of them, you know.
It affect the children. then?
Yes. And then little girl and little boy picking where you see I go on someone. No, the chicken I do them someone. The booster for some people.
And it
Some
come from
people-
foreign with it.
Some people chew in a hit just to make a chicken them weigh 6 pounds and 7 pounds in a 1 month, you know. Because the more you get the fowl, the more you swell them up, so, you know.
Boy, man, I tell you, the whole world is just after the money and
Just the money they after money making business the world are running
they
up.
just poison themselves.
And a poison our people.
Upon the beautiful place, man, I know all the chemicals them I bring in.
All the chemicals we America have right now in the Caribbean, they are done. And people are buying to it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's why me tell myself, say, no, man, me change up my food now, me just eat a couple of things and watch good when me eating. But me say to myself, so the only thing when me can grow on now, for now, and me soon start growing it to a chicken. But other things,
And I do me, I feed you them, you know.
yeah, man, they will not come. Not come, you know.
Let me get my bag.
I mix with tea.
Yeah, do it, Bob. Okay.